Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro to phone. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can connect this new Oraimo smartwatch to your Android phone without wasting much of your time. Let's get down to business. Alright, the first thing to do here is to switch on your Oraimo smartwatch. So let's switch this guy on. Now at the home page here you can see hello, nice to meet you, then swipe left. Okay, so when you swipe left you are going to see English, Dutch, Espanol. This means you can set it to the language that you understand. Let's select English, and when you select English you are going to see a QR code that you are going to scan for the app to download. Now we have to go to our Android phone and scan the QR code. If you don't have a QR code scanner app, please just download it on Google Play Store. Now we bring it close, and it's going to redirect you to Oraimo on Google Play Store. As you can see here, this is the app. So let's click the link and let's open it. Now you can see we have Google Play Store here. So we select Google Play Store and it takes us to the app. This is Oraimo Health. So you install the app by selecting install. And the app is downloading. So once it completes downloading and it is installed on our phone, then we do the next step. Now as you can see, the app has been downloaded to our phone. So the next thing to do is to launch the app. So you select open, and you can see allow Oraimo Health to access your photo media on your device. So you select allow. Make sure you grant all the permission to this smartwatch. Okay, so you can see the Oraimo Health App interface. So you select start now. If you are just coming here for the first time, you start now. But if you want to skip all the registration step, you have to select tourist mode that you can see down here. But right here I will be showing you how you can register and log in. Okay, so I'm a new user, so I have to select start now. When you select start now, it's going to prompt agreement page where you have to agree. So you select agree, then you come here and pick your country or region. So I'm not in America, I have to pick Nigeria. That is N. Let's go to N. Alright, so this is Nigeria here. I select Nigeria. Now you can see privacy policy term. I'm over 13 years. So once you have this tick, then you select the next option here. When you select the next option, it's going to show you the next page that says create your Oraimo account. So you input your email here. That is your email that is valid. Then you go to the next step. So let me input my email. Okay, now I've input my email, so I will select the get option here so that I can get the verification code. Now you can see that it has a countdown here. That means the message has been sent, or the verification has been sent to your email. As you can see, a message just popped up here. That means message has dropped in my email. Now I have to go to my email to get this verification. So let me go to my email. As you can see, we have a new message here from Oraimo Health. So you select that, then you copy the code. You have just 10 minutes to copy this. Then let's go back to our Oraimo app. Then I'll paste it here. And you can now enter your password. That is the new password you want to use for your Oraimo account. So let me enter mine. So once you have done that, you have to come here and select the tick option here and select register. Okay, when you select register, it's going to go to the next page. So as you can see, it has taken us to the next page. For accuracy of our activity record, please enter your information truthfully. So I have to pick male. When you pick male, you can see it is scrolling. You pick male and confirm. You pick your height and confirm. You pick your weight and confirm. You pick up date of birth. Just be honest with this. You scroll all the way down to your age and confirm. So once you have done this, then you select the next option down here, and Oraimo will monitor your health metric 24/7. So these are the recommended steps, which is 8,000, confirm, calorie to burn, and activities, maybe 30 minutes. You can put it there and select the save option. Once you have done that, it's going to take you to the pair page. So this is where you are going to select and sync up your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. Then you select Oraimo Watch 2 Pro because that is what we want to connect here. And you can see Oraimo Watch wants to turn on Bluetooth of your phone. Just select allow. Okay, Bluetooth is turning on. Then you select it once again. Oraimo Health to access your device location. Select while using this app. Okay, then you tap on it again. You can see GPS location required. Go to setup. That means we have to turn it on ourselves. Then you turn on your location here. Then you press the back button and come back here and select Watch 2 Pro again. When you select it again, you can see it is searching, and now the Bluetooth has just found our watch. Okay, then you tap on it and you can see connecting. So let's see, just wait for it. It's going to connect. Right on our watch you can see bind or not, so you have to select the option bind. Bind successfully, done, experience now. So you can see right on the phone says bind successfully, so you have to select that, bind successfully. And right here the app is asking for notification permission. You have to toggle this on. As you can see, you just toggle it on so that it will get your incoming calls and notifications and messages on your smart watch. So you go to setup here, and it's going to take you to the notification page where you can toggle it on for Oraimo Health. So you select this and allow access. It's going to say you should allow, that is the message. So you allow, then you go back, select the back option, and make sure this has been allowed, as you can see here. Now you go back once again. Another prompt message that says allow Oraimo Health to access your phone log calls. Allow you to access your contact. Allow you to access and manage your phone calls. Allow you to send and view SMS messages. Allow. And here we are, and this is the Oraimo page, as you can see. Then you have to come to this option here, but before that we got another prompt message that says you should pair Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. Then you select this box and select pair. Okay, now we have our watch synced up. Alright, as you can see right on the smartwatch, we have this connection here that shows it is synced up. Alright, so I'm going to change the timer, as in time that it goes to sleep. So let me go to the screen on. Okay, now the next thing to do here is to go to this dashboard here and select this option that look like watch. Select that, and you are going to see your device page. Here you can see your Oraimo watch has been successfully connected. As you can see, the MAC address and every other details there. So that is it. Now you can select this green arrow up here. Just select that, and it's going to take you to the Oraimo device page proper. There you can do your device settings. You can sync up your notification with your watch, do the settings, and everything will work well. Now if you want to make use of the call function or the Bluetooth call function of the Oraimo watch, you have to turn the settings on and also connect the second Bluetooth. The Oraimo watch uses two Bluetooth. One is for the normal connection and the other one is for the call. So once you are ready to use that, all you have to do is to come to this Bluetooth call and select the option, and you are going to see enable Bluetooth call option. Select that, and it's going to show you go to setup this and that of your smartphone, and you can just follow the steps. You can select this go to setup. Just select that and come to your watch here. Okay, press it once again by the home button, and you are going to see phone. Select that, and you are going to see phone on. Okay, make sure this option is toggle on. If it's like this, it's not going to work. All right, you can see all the other options gray out. So when you toggle it on, it's going to show that it is on. All right, so that means it is ready for use. So let's connect our Bluetooth. Now you have to pair as new Bluetooth. As you can see, our second Bluetooth has just come up. Then you tap on it. Now our second Bluetooth has been connected successfully, and we can now use our watch to make call. So let me test this for you, and you are going to see that we can use this watch to make phone call. Okay, go to dial. Let's just dial a random number here, call, and let's see if it's going to show on our phone.
The number you are trying to call does not exist.
As you can see,
check the number and try again. Thank you.
It is working now. So you can use it to make call and receive. So this is how to connect your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro to your Android phone. And thank you very much. And if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section, and I'll reply you as soon as possible. I remain Babatunde Omotayo, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.